My Chevy Equinox had front end damage, so I need to replace the radiator. Got this replacement from TYC. Let's open it up and see how the quality is. This thing comes wrapped with a carefully molded foam that goes around all four corners. So in the box, it's a lightweight box because the radiator is made out of aluminum. You definitely got a good protection on the radiator for shipping. Overall, radiator looks like the same exact quality as the original equipment from the manufacturer. It's got the same plastic sides here with the transmission oil cooler inlets. They're capped off to keep any moisture out of there. And then you've got the same lower radiator hose fitting here. It's out of plastic. Same thing on the other side, also plastic. It comes with the holders here that you're going to put your screws through here to put it onto the fan shroud. And the nice thing about this TYC option is that it's got the rubber supports that it sits on already installed here. Not all the radiators you buy aftermarket come with these, and if yours was popped off during an accident, you're going to need these rubber parts. I don't know where you're going to get them otherwise. I couldn't find a part number on them. So that'll sit right into that engine cradle at the bottom of your vehicle. On both sides, you get these all included. So overall, I'm happy with the purchase. Just looking at the workmanship, looks like any other radiator I've seen. It's shipped carefully, and it has all the right components. And for my vehicle, it's 2015 Equinox. It's even got it right on the sticker here that this fits the 10 through 15 Chevy Equinox. All right. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.